it recording?
Yeah.
Hey, man.
This is Epic Dunking for us.
It ain't gonna be. Already lost the ball.
And I'm a scooter.
Really? There.
Oh, my balls! I'm recording that happening.
I'm a dog. Okay, let's see if you can dunk it, Kenny. Man, that's terrible. Okay, here, I'm gonna see if I can do the. Oh, that's just.
CC's got a
Wait,
gun.
it's still recording.
Yep.
That's just perfect.
57 seconds. Always use some bow and arrow to get a gun. Ball.
Ugh, I'm shooting like you now.
This is how. Oh, oh fuck.
Dude, would you just grab it? Please?
Yeah. Ready?
Go. Let's see if I can make it. Here, hold this real quick. Kenny, you've seen me do this before, right? Jeez. Jeez. And I still made it. We'll do a double jump.
Oh, my head! And it went in the litter box.
It didn't ever stop.
Nope.
Go, 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 go. You broke it.
What?
Hit the yellow piece back up. Here.
Don't dunk it while we're recording.
We'll dunk it while recording.
Yep.
Okay. Hopefully we can get some likes and views, right?
Yeah. For a member of YouTube.
Hit my head.
Oh, my head.
I feel like my head's bleeding now.
I've done that just for YouTube.
Oh, I screwed.
What happened?
That freaking hurt. Here, you do it. Come on.
Ah, he got a pin. And he almost had me in the foot.
I'm gonna try to do the original fail. The fuck?
Where's the light switch?
It's demons. Oh, did you do that?
Yeah, I just found it.
Ugh.